Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
ऋषिकेश श्रीरंगतीथे learn in civil engineering first year in Jil Polytechnic Pune. We are guided by Mr. Navle sir. This project made by Avdut Dattatreya Pasalkar, Prasad Maruti Gaikwad, ऋषिकेश श्रीरंगतीथे, विवेक विजय थोरात, तेजस महेश किरीड. Our topic name: explain the types of rocks with neat side picture. Classification of rocks: geological, physical, chemical. First, geological classification. Rocks are classified into three types based on their geological formation, and they are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of magma below the Earth's surface. When the magma is unable to erupt through the Earth's surface during its upward journey, it is held up below the Earth's surface and unable to descend. This magma cools down generally and solidified into igneous rocks. The structure of igneous rocks varies according to the depth at which magma solidified. If the magma hardens at the significant depth from the Earth's surface, then the rock possesses coarsely grained crystalline structure, and these rocks are known as polytonic rocks. Granite is the best example of plutonic rocks. Similarly, if magma hardens at shallow depth from the Earth's surface, the finely grained crystalline structure of rocks will be obtained. These rocks are called as hypabyssal rocks. Dolerite is the example of a hypabyssal rocks. If the solidification of rocks occur near to the Earth's surface, then the rocks obtained are known as volcanic rocks. These rocks possess extremely fine grained structure. Basalt is an example of volcanic rocks. Figure of igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments obtained by the weathering of pre-existing rocks. These sediments are transported by the various agents such as water, wind, force, gravity, etc. This transports sediments from layer structure and give rise to the sedimentary deposits. If the sediments remain the place of origin, then the formed deposits are known as residual deposits. Are sedimentary formed by various chemical reactions such as decomposition, precipitation, evaporation, etc. give rise to the formation of chemical deposits. Similarly, the sediments formed by the action of various organisms such as plants and animals are known as original deposits. Examples: sandstone, limestone, lignite, etc. Figure of sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed by the metamorphism process. Metamorphics is the process of changing the characteristic of the pre-existing rocks under the influence of heat and pressure. The pre-existing rocks may be of the sedimentary of igneous types of rocks. Example: slate, gneiss, schist, marble, sandstone, etc. Figure of metamorphic rock. Second, physical classification. Rocks are classified physically into three types as follows: stratified rocks, unstratified rocks, foliated rocks. First, stratified rocks. Stratified rocks consist of different layers in its structure, and these layers are separated by planes of stratification. These planes are also called cleavage planes and or bending planes. These rocks can easily spread up along these bending planes. Most of the sedimentary rocks such as sandstone, limestone, shale, etc. are the best example of stratified rocks. Figure of stratified rocks. Unstratified rocks. The structure of unstratified rocks is crystalline or compact granularly. The process of similar kind of structure throughout their whole body. Most of the igneous rocks and some sedimentary rocks come under unstratified rocks. Granite, marble, trap are the few examples of unstratified rocks. Figure of unstratified rocks. Stratified rocks possess a layer or banded structure which is obtained by exposure of pressure on it. Unlike the stratified rocks, these rocks can split up in a certain direction only. Most of the metamorphic rocks formed by metamorphism come under foliated rocks. Some examples are gneiss, schist, slate, etc. Figure of foliated rocks. Third, chemical classification. Rocks are classified into three types based on their chemical composition, and they are as follows. First, argillaceous rocks. Second, calcareous rocks. Third, siliceous rocks. Argillaceous rocks. The word argilla means clay. Hence, the rocks in which clay content in predominance are called argillaceous rocks. These rocks are soft in nature and with the presence of water they can be clumped easily in the dry slate. These rocks can be crushed easily because of their brightness. Shale, slate, litter, etc. are some of the argillaceous rocks. Figure of argillaceous rocks. Second, calcareous rocks. The rocks in which calcareous carbonate in the major ingredients are known as calcareous rocks. These are generally hard, but their durability is dependent on surrounding constituents which may react with calcium and affect the durability of rocks. Marble, limestone, dolomite, etc. are the sum of calcium predominant rocks. Figure of calcareous rocks. Siliceous rocks. The rocks which contain siliceous in predominant amount are called as siliceous rocks. Presence of a large amount of free siliceous makes them harder and durable. It also provides strong resistance to weathering. Granite, schist, quartz, etc. are examples of siliceous rocks. Figure of siliceous rocks. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.